What if I told you that by 2030, a simple doctor's visit could reveal your personal risk for chronic conditions like diabetes, asthma, or even cancer? How? By adding up the tiny effects of hundreds, even thousands of genes into a genetic risk score. The age of personalized medicine, where healthcare is tailored to each of us. And this kind of disease prediction is needed. 60% of Americans live with at least one chronic condition, accounting for nearly 90% of healthcare spending. But if we can spot who's at high risk, we can intervene early and even prevent disease before it starts. Sounds amazing, right? But here's the catch. Our genes don't tell the whole story. Where we live, the food we have access to, the air we breathe, all of these social and environmental factors shape health just as much as DNA. Ignoring them means missing a huge part of the picture. In fact, in my research, when I looked at how these genetic models perform across groups with different social advantages, I found that they often perform worse in socially disadvantaged populations like those with low income. You see, even people with low genetic risk can develop disease if their social environment is unfavorable enough. Ignoring social factors means missing a huge part of the picture and can actually widen health disparities. So what can we do? I analyzed a large database to see how these social factors of health relate to 9 different chronic conditions. I found that each disease is best predicted by a different set of social factors. To account for these unique relationships, I used machine learning to make social risk scores and combined them with genetic risk. The result? Disease prediction improved for 8 out of 9 conditions. So, when we think about the future of healthcare, it's not just about decoding our DNA. Our genes tell part of the story, but our environment writes the rest. Only by looking at both can we prevent disease before it strikes and give everyone a fair shot at health. Thank you.